Ant-attracting crumbs and residues are removed most effectively with targeted tools that pick up both dry particles and sticky films immediately after meals. Start with a microfiber cloth for countertops because its fine fibers trap tiny particles and absorb sugary residues without spreading them. Wipe surfaces in a pattern that moves debris toward a trash receptacle rather than around the area. For floors, use a handheld vacuum with a crevice attachment to reach baseboards and under chairs. Run slowly so the suction lifts crumbs instead of scattering them. Follow vacuuming with a mop dampened in warm water and a few drops of liquid dish soap to break down sticky films ants follow. Keep trash bins lined and seal lids, and empty them daily or whenever they have food scraps to prevent lingering odors. Finally, clean appliance surfaces and inside toaster crumbs weekly since these hidden caches are common ant food sources. People often miss baseboards and under furniture, which lets crumbs accumulate, so schedule a quick sweep and vacuum of these spots after meals to remove that buildup. Another common issue is using a damp cloth that spreads sticky residues instead of removing them, so rinse or replace cloths frequently and use soap to emulsify sugars. Many assume regular trash emptying is enough, but odors remain, so wash bins with soap and water weekly and use a lid or tightly tied liner to cut scent trails. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists recommended cleaning and pest preventive services that relate to ant control. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, tools, and local experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and practical advice.